Hello, my friends. Chances are you've already seen our awesome Tailgate to Stamp Stamp and Die set. That was for our club members. But wait, my friends, there's more because I can never just stop with one. I also came out with this awesome stamp set called Moretailgate to Stamp. It includes another pumpkin, different leaves, some gourds, and those amazing sunflowers that you've been seeing already on all the samples, and this fun little orange crate. And there's lots of words. Hope your birthday is loads of fun. Get it? Because it's a truckload. I thought you could use a little pickup. Get it? Because it's a pickup truck. All these fun puns. I love it. And a lot of words. So we have happy for the back of the truck. So for example, you could do happy here, right? And then on the license plate, you could have it say Thanksgiving, Christmas, Dad's Day, 4th, fall, summer, winter, birthday, anniversary, New Year, Easter, spring. I think I got all of the holidays on that one. And of course, yes, there are dice that match. Dun, dun, dun. Then I went another step further and I got a lot of other little license plate words on here. So here we have loads of love, loads of fun, loads of good luck, loads of fall, special delivery, and then all of these fun little license plates. So we have for sure, best mom, best dad, big day, blessed, forgive me, grateful, celebrate, miss you, late again, love you, hugs to you. You guys, there's everything on here, everything you need. But wait, there's more because I did another stamp set because I couldn't stop. This one's fun because this one will fit the back end of the truck and it has a lot of fun words. Sending you loads of love, wishing you the best day ever, full of joy and laughter. Keep on going, keep on trucking. It will get better. Lots of fun items there. Then I decided I needed a sign. And this sign is really awesome. It is mini slimline. But look, so it looks really cute on a mini slimline, but you have all of these options because I give you extra dice so you can stamp a lot of these on here. Hello, wishing you loads of happiness, keep on going. Isn't that cute? One more, my friends. And if you're a club member, get in on the bundle to save even more. Look at this. It is a background die and it is amazing. When I designed this one, I sent it to Dina and she's like, whoa, whoa. And right away, she threw this one together because she was just so excited about it. Look how adorable it is. It's literally a farm background. Now, it could be perfect for the truck, but it kind of just coordinates with the truck. Here's another example of it. So beautiful, so fun. Here's one of them using patterned paper. So different. Three totally different looks, right? Isn't it awesome? Now, here's a totally different look just by die cutting it and inking over it. Isn't that gorgeous? I know, it's stunning. Then you can kind of make it an impressionist painting look with some little dots on there. Look how beautiful that is. I'm here for you during this difficult time. You are not alone. Isn't that beautiful? Now, let's look at some signs because you guys, these road signs are awesome. I love going to amusement parks and things like that and seeing signs like this or going on vacation and seeing, you know, America that way, China that way, Australia that way. It's so fun. And look at this one. This one says, Happy Halloween, trick or treat. Smell my feet, give me something good to eat. I love it. Oh, here's one for Santa. Dear Santa, define good. It's a long story. I can explain. Does nice-ish count? I love it. I love it. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Or what about this one? Look how cute this is. I love this. Farm fresh pumpkins, wishing you the best day ever. Autumn is calling. Harvest. Isn't that beautiful? So fun. Now, here's an example of the truck on that background. But look at this. Who made this? Chris made this. Look at this, you guys. Hello there, miss you. And that's the front. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that fun? So she die cut that on the fold. I absolutely love that. So cute. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see. Oh, I have tons more. You guys, my design team went crazy this time. Look at this fun Z-fold card. Ready? There's our You Are Loved at the bottom. Z-fold with our fun sign in the background. Wishing you loads of happiness, success. It will get better. You are loved. Isn't that fun? I know. Look at that. Boom. There it is, right? Oh, look how cute. You can even make it like a little tag if you wanted to. Wishing you the best day ever. Open it up if you want to. Full of joy and laughter. And see the cute little wedding. I absolutely love that. Isn't that cute? Open it up. Congratulations. Oh, here's a cute one. I love this one. This is using also the stitched envelope dies that you can cut out. Look at how fun that is. Isn't that cute? And it's a little shaker. I love it. I love it. Oh, look, here's one with Cookie. This is on our center step up. Look at that. Woo, awesome. It's stepping up. Look at that. It is moving on in this world. I love cute little Cookie in there. Love it. And oh, so sweet. Now, oh, here's a cute one. Special delivery. Special delivery. Hugs to you. Love that background, plaid background. Truckloads of hugs for you, my friend. Oh, doesn't have to be fall related. How about Christmas? Don't you love this? Special delivery. Grateful for you. I'm sorry, grateful. Ho, ho, ho. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Or 4th of July. Remember, I said it's all year round. Look at this. 4th of July, celebrate. Full of joy and laughter. Truckloads of hugs for you, my friend. Or how about winter? You guys, I'm telling you, I have everything for every month. Special delivery winter with little snowballs. Make those oranges snowballs. Or, look at this, how cute this is. Congrats. Isn't that fun? You guys, all of these ideas are on our website in our online gallery. So I know I'm going fast. Don't worry. You can go into our gallery. You can print them. You can favorite them. You can see them over and over again. You can blow them up really big so you can really see them, because I know there's so much here, right? Use our foil paper in the background to make it look like the window. Look at this one, you guys. Truckloads of hugs for you, my friend. Happy HB Day. Look at that. Here's another one. You guys, I'm telling you, I told you my team went crazy. I told you. Look at this. Happy harvest. Truckloads of hugs for you, my friend. Or on a 5x7 card. Look how great it fits on a 5x7. Perfect for, look, A2 or 5x7 or the center step up. So many different options. Look how cute that is. Happy harvest. So fun. I thought you could use a little pickup. And then here's a fun one. I love this because it looks like it's bouncing down the street. Doesn't it look like it's bouncing down the street? I love it. Special delivery, late again. God bless your new baby. Isn't that adorable? Now, club members, you are getting the club discount on all of these items. Now, the first 24 hours, my friends, most items, the first 24 hours they're on our website are on a flash sale. Almost all brand new items. And if you get in on this, the first 24 hours they're on the website, you're saving extra. And club members, if you get the bundle, you're saving even more. It's amazing, you guys. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you're a club member, log in to see that bundle. If you do not see that bundle and you're logged in, that means it's sold out. So get it quick, okay? It usually sells out. This one especially is going to sell out. So get it quick. My friends, thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.